This is Health Data Visualization, a new interface added to CAT MineStar Health Office that helps you get the machine health data you need quickly and easily. No more reports to create or manage, just a simple graphical user interface accessible on any desktop PC with the web browser. Today, Health Data Visualization gives you access to real-time events and live channels, as well as a customizable dashboard with 12 widgets that give you quick and easy access to current and historical health data from your machines. This intuitive interface allows you to group machines however you like, making it easy to organize, visualize, and analyze machine health data. Let's take a look at how it works. This is a simple dashboard with 3 widgets monitoring events on a group of machines. The 4th widget monitors trends for specific channels coming from those machines. The widgets can be repositioned in the dashboard, and any changes can be saved using this icon at the top of the screen. These changes will be saved to this dashboard, and it'll look just like this the next time you access it, even if you're using a different device. Health Data Visualization includes 12 different widgets. You can access each widget using the plus icon at the top of the screen. Now, let's add a widget to the dashboard. This widget will show the top 10 pieces of equipment generating the highest number of events. You will get configuration options each time you add a widget to a dashboard. In this case, we'll choose to show all events. Now we select all events to see every event being generated by this group of machines. Now the widget is in place, and it's showing the machines in the group, as well as the number and level of events generated by each one. Health Data Visualization also provides a drill-down functionality that gives you additional detail beyond what's shown on the dashboard. Expanding this widget shows us that this machine is the one generating the most events. Clicking on the machine will reveal more detail about the events being generated. This data can be used to perform additional analysis, and you can keep drilling down until you get to the final details, including each individual event, what machine recorded the event, when it happened, how many hours are on the machine, and more details you can use to help answer your specific questions. Now we'll take a look at some of the other functions available in Health Data Visualization. Remember to save your dashboards after making changes so you can return another time. This window shows all the dashboards you've created and lets you switch between them as needed. This dashboard currently shows data from 3 different 797 trucks we've grouped together. However, you can access different groups of machines from this same dashboard, which lets you keep the same widgets in view for different machine groups, which can be very useful to comparison analysis. As you can see, it's quick and easy to switch from this group of 797s to another group of machines, making it simple to access the same information in the same form for different pieces of equipment. This plus sign is used to create new groups as needed. You can also change the window of time the dashboard pulls data from, allowing you to perform reviews after the fact. This window is used to change the period of time for data visualization. Enter the dates you want to review data from and hit Apply. The dashboard will automatically refresh to show data from the selected period. You can also use simple presets like the last 7 days, last 15 days, and more. Being able to switch between dashboards, change equipment groups, and review different periods of time gives you unmatched flexibility, delivering the information you need to make informed decisions and take decisive action to keep your machines running. Now let's talk about trends and data loggers. These tools can be used for predictive analysis. In this dashboard, we've added a Trends Fleet Summary data widget. This widget is gathering data on the oil filter differential pressure, engine oil pressure, and engine coolant temperature. These widgets can be edited to gather different sensors' data. In the Widget Edit menu, you can select which channels you want to see for each machine the widget reports on. Within the engine oil pressure channel, we've set a low and high threshold. A machine operating outside of these thresholds is not operating under normal conditions and will be highlighted in the Trends view for additional analysis. Back on the main dashboard, you can see that engine oil pressure is shown. Click on this plus sign to see each machine in the group. with the minimum, maximum, and average data points during the period of time selected. Clicking on the channel itself shows a graphical view of that channel, in this case, the oil pressure trend lines of each truck in that group. As you can see, one truck is operating at a much higher level of engine oil pressure than the others. You can click this button to show the threshold lines, which reveal that this truck is operating well outside the typical range of operation. From here, you can zoom in further on a specific period of time and investigate whether there's any action that needs to be taken with this machine. While performing more detailed analysis, you may want to see data from different channels related to the same issue. To do so, select View by Equipment and choose the machine you want to analyze, as well as the channels you want to view. Now we see that same machine with data from multiple channels, ready for analysis. Now let's work with a different case. Configuring the dashboard correctly is key to performing your analysis. In this case, I'm adding a new widget. This is the total event count widget, but it will be configured to only report selected brake-related events. In this example, we're concerned that something might be happening with the machine's brakes, so we only need to see selected events related to that system. For clarity's sake, you can rename widgets as you create them. We'll call this one Brake Events. Once this widget is saved and added to the dashboard, it will only show the type of events we selected, giving a quick look at the brake events generated by that machine. You can add other pieces of data to your dashboard based on what you need for this brake analysis. We are adding a Trends widget to the dashboard and configure it to show specific brakes-related channels. This widget will be named Trends Brake Study. With that widget added to the dashboard, we now have a general view of different events across our machines up top, with more detailed widgets showing only brake events on the bottom. This flexibility allows different people with different roles on site to perform analysis related to their specific jobs. Health data visualization also gives you the capability to monitor real-time data. Channel pooling allows you to monitor all machine channels in real time. You can also monitor events in real time, but for now, we'll focus on machine channels. Clicking on Channels under the Live menu option opens a new window where the machine group can be selected. From here, we can add the channels we want to see in real time. To continue our brake study, we will select the brake cooling pump speed and brake pump pressure. The data will start flowing in just a few seconds. The chart will begin to populate, and you can watch in real time as data is gathered from the channels we selected. Events that are happening or being reported by the same machine can also be monitored in real time. This capability can be used to complement the analysis we're currently performing, along with the channel pooling, trends, and historical data. Now we'll look at real-time monitoring of events. This screen is populated by all events generated by machines in the group, and can be used by controllers to determine if any action needs to be taken. You can see events beginning to populate the screen. The menu bar allows you to sort the events as needed, and the search bar allows you to filter for specific events, events level, dates, specific machines, and more. This allows you to focus on individual details that could threaten the health of your machines. Now we'll return to our channel polling, and as you can see, more data points have appeared. Scrolling down, you can also see a record of the events we viewed on the previous screen. This data constantly updates, giving you easy access to the most current data and helping you make informed decisions regarding equipment maintenance. This has only been a brief overview of some capabilities available in health data visualization. There are many more capabilities, and we'll add even more functions in the future. You can learn more within the tool itself using the help system. This extensive library of information gives details on all available widgets and functions, and offers detailed instruction on how to create dashboards, configure widgets, and select events, trends, and channels. If you are interested in health data visualization or any other MineStar capability, Reach out to your regional MineStar representative or ask your cat dealer for more information.